Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo.
Alaris na ano ka? Hindi ko ginawa. Galain ng akong na matsyag. Siguro kay nakita ko siya nga may upod nga iban. Sigurado kag man niya nakita ko siya nga may upod nga iban. Basta respiratory infection na namon na daan ng iya symptoms. Ha? Respiratory infection? Ano na iya? Wala ko nakapaluhaw. Nan, kay sobrang ko OA. Lanto lang to sa crush. Wala nagapamati kay mga tao.
Soups! Tagdanay! So namagid bala ang mga respiratory infections? Well, today we will watch UPI students as they tackle about respiratory infections. Nan pamati ka mo, hindi ka mo magparehas kay Reed.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. So subong, itakal naman ang 5 common respiratory infection which are pharyngitis, sinusitis, COVID-19, pneumonia, and bronchitis.
Ay, kainit ah. Balaan nyo ba lang ang pharyngitis, ginatawag man nga strep throat or sore throat. Ang scientific name sang fungus nga nagakos ng pharyngitis is Streptococcus pyogenes.
Para mo balagay, ang pharyngitis gabilang sa upper respiratory tract infection or URTI. And it can be either acute or chronic. Pero, depende sa tao ng immune system. And ang acute pharyngitis can be virulent, ulcerative, or cataract.
Ang pharyngitis is usually caused by viral and bacterial infections, such as common cold or rhinovirus, or by infection with the Streptococcus bacterium. Ang virus nga ine usually caused by saliva or pwede siya makaspread through saliva kag exposure to coughs and sneezes.
Balaan nyo bala kung paano ang mode of transmission sa pharyngitis? O di ba hindi? Kita nyo ng babae nga na, mangkuton siya natin kung balaan niya. Balaan mo bala kung paano ang mode of transmission sa pharyngitis?
No! God, please, no! No!
Babulit and give it to the next person.
Ay, KJ?
Uy, kalma! Ay, Char! Uy, mostly, transmit siya through direct transmission or person-to-person contact. Oo! Team! And nag-transfer siya through respiratory droplets. Although, pwede man siya matransfer sa mga infected person secretion such as saliva, wound discharge, kag nasal secretion.
So now, let us proceed to the signs and symptoms of pharyngitis, which are sore throat, difficulty of swallowing, cough, fever, fatigue, and runny nose.
So ano pala ang target age group sa pharyngitis? It is usually common sa mga tao nga less than 40 years old, especially sa mga bata nga 5 to 15 years old.
Na, may isang UP, no? Siya niya.
Eh, tatay, yawan ko. Hulat si mo, ah. Napubay.
Stop it. Get some help.
So, ano pala mga home remedies kang medical treatments ng pharyngitis? So, una, ma-determine sa doktor mo ang pharyngitis mo, bacteria in nature. Eventually, prescribe silang magamit ka sa antibiotics para hindi infection. Hindi ka man ka-add honey or lemon if ever mag-inom ka mo sa warm water or herbal tea para ma-help soothe ang inyong sore throat. If ever gusto nyo mag-gargle, hindi mo ka makagargle gamit sa salt water of about 1/2 or 1/4 tablespoon para ma-help soothe man ang inyong sore throat. Pero however, only children about 6 years old, older, or adults ang prescribe lang gid para makagamit sa mga solution. Other treatments would also include ang pag-gargle man sa baking soda, pag-use ng peppermints, pagkaon sa water soup or herbs.
Nagkakatol
bala ang imo ilong? Well, ang sinusitis is ang infection sa tissue sa sinus ng isa ka tawo. Ginatawag man ang sinusitis as rhinosinusitis or sinus infections kag may several types of fungus nga nagka-cause ng sinusitis such as Aspergillus, Moccularis, and Bipolaris.
Tatlo ka types of sinusitis. Number 1, acute rhinosinusitis that lasts for about 4 weeks. Number 2, subacute rhinosinusitis that lasts for about 12 weeks. And lastly, recurrent acute rhinosinusitis that lasts about for 7 days.
These three are the most common causes of sinusitis: Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenzae, and Moraxella catarrhalis are the bacteria most often linked to acute sinusitis.
Hi guys! What? Wala niyo pala nga ang sinusitis is transmitted indirectly.
We don't care.
Ay. Pero ara lang guys, so, unlike sa atin, mga typical colds, ang sinusitis is hindi communicable. Bye!
So now, these are the signs and symptoms of sinusitis, which are sore throat, fever, fatigue, headache, cough, loss of smell, and bad breath. Wow, baba mo man.
Hala, di na tong amon nga upod nga matakol sa target age groups ng sinusitis, man!
Hala, ara sa galio.
So, ano man ba ang target age groups ng sinusitis? It usually affects people between the age of 40 and 69 years old. Also, it has a small incidence in children and late adults.
So, if ever may symptoms ka like facial pain, you can apply warm compression sa iyong mga face para ma-ease ang pain. Pwede ka man makakuha prescription sa iyong mga doctor in case na mag-prescribe sila antibiotics, especially if bacterial ang sinusitis. You can also take over-the-counter medicines such as Sudafed para malasan ang symptoms. Pwede ka man makakaon sa pagkaon niya may natural antibacterial properties. Drink plenty of water and most importantly, rest.
Other treatments would include the use of corticosteroids, penicillins, nasal spray, and mucoactive agent.
Take the time to cut them off, I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy. When you treat her like your number one baby.
Hala, year 2020 ba this? During this time, di ba nga nagkalat ang coronavirus 2019 which is also called as COVID-19? Ang scientific name sa fungus nga nagka-cause ng COVID-19 is ang SARS-CoV-2 which is also referred to as Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2.
Yeah, based on sabi ko, lagi diyang COVID-19 galit, no? Galit. Ang COVID-19 galit is the respiratory tract infection. And if mahawaan galit, you will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness. And you will just recover without any special treatment. Pero, if lalat na ganyang imo masakit, then you will need serious attention.
Nice.
Coronavirus disease 2019, commonly referred to as COVID-19, is a respiratory disease caused by the virus SARS-CoV-2 that is transmitted from one person to another through respiratory droplets. COVID-19's first outbreak emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019 and later spread rapidly through the globe, resulting in a pandemic.
Guys, please social distancing lang please kini ara pagidaan COVID subo. Kag dapat ang halong ikaw mo kay balaan niyo bala ang COVID is ma-transmit directly gid. So dapat halong ikaw mo sa ginapagtandog niyo kag ginapaglapitan yung mga tao. Na ano kaya man bitter ka lang. Halong ka mo please hindi sa pagkapit ba sa ma-transmit niyo kung sa isa kung may ara man ka mo.
JK mo yan isa ka lang yan.
Kuya Longi, pati ang heart mo ba sakiton niya lang kaniyo?
Ay, manaon mo lang paggaling.
The signs and symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, cough, shortness of breath, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, vomiting, and headache.
Hi, kanami, manggalit magbalik dali sa UP after pila ka weeks again suspend
Sim!
Ay, pilang yan edad mo?
14? Ay, 15 ako ata.
Ay, Maya lang. Kay, do you know, ang target age groups ng COVID-19 is between the age of 35 and 49 years old with an attack rate of 38.2%. Wala lang, thank you, bye-bye!
So ano ba lang home remedies ang COVID-19? Una, stay inside at home kag hindi magwa unless it's to get medical care. Avoid using public transportation. Try to keep your distance from people inside the home. Avoid sharing personal household items and electronics. Wear a face mask that you'll wear for each day. Ano naman ba lang medical treatment? Ang medical treatment sa COVID-19 ay antiviral pills like Remdesivir, Molnupiravir, and Niraparib with Ritonavir.
You know nga ang pneumonia is ang infection nga nagakos one or both lungs fluid sacs to be filled with fluid or pus. Kag ang scientific name sa fungus nga nagakos ng pneumonia is ang Streptococcus pneumoniae.
A pneumonia infection is classified on how it is acquired and can be categorized into health-acquired, hospital-acquired, community-acquired, or aspiration-acquired.
For pneumonia, there are three causative agents,
Yeah, boy.
namely bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Bacteria are common cause of pneumonia in adults. Viruses infect your lungs and airway, which can cause pneumonia. Fungi, such as Pneumocystis jirovecii, may cause pneumonia, especially for people who have weak immune systems.
Ang Streptococcus pneumoniae is transmitted directly with respiratory droplets. Mostly, ang maning infection is nag-transmit sa mga families around crowded areas.
The signs and symptoms of pneumonia are dry cough with phlegm, shortness of breath, shallow breathing, loss of appetite and energy, fatigue, fever, and muscle pain.
Come on.
Pneumonia usually affects children under the age of 5 years old, and in 2017, 15% of deaths were recorded. Also, adults over the age of 65 years old and people with pre-existing health condition are also prone to this infection.
So bali ano mga home remedies kang medical treatment sa pneumonia? So first, make sure nga makainom ka mo sa tubig or other fluids and makakain ka mo sa nutritious mga food. Like pharyngitis, pili makagargle using salt water and make sure makatake ka mo sa vitamin C. Pili makamagamit sa humidifier if nabulayan ka mo maginhawa and make sure nga mag-focus ka mo sa inyong breathing. Other treatments will also include the use of antibiotics, painkillers, and herbal tea.
Ang bronchitis nga nag-refer sa inflammation sa bronchial tubes is may ara sang fungus nga nagkakos ni. Ang ngalan sa fungus nga na is ang Aspergillus fumigatus.
There are many types of bronchitis, but the most common types are acute and chronic. Chronic bronchitis is part of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. This is a lung disease that causes airflow blockage, and breathing problems.
Viruses that cause bronchitis include influenza, respiratory syncytial virus, adenovirus, rhinovirus, coronavirus, and bacteria. Bacteria that cause bronchitis include Bordetella pertussis, Mycoplasma pneumonia, and Chlamydia pneumonia.
Ang bronchitis is transmitted directly from person to person by droplets. Kung ang infected person nag-cough, sneeze, or speaks and inhales them. Pwede man siya ma-transmit through infected objects.
Here are the signs and symptoms of bronchitis. Sore throat, coughing with bloody mucus, oh no, there's shortness of breath, chest discomfort, fatigue, mild fever, and runny nose. Okay.
Bronchitis usually affects children ages 3 to 6 months and 24 months.
Ginger, garlic, and turmeric can soothe coughs due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Makahelp mandayan ang paggargles ng salt water and also getting enough sleep. Quitting smoking and drinking can also discuss. Other home remedies na pwede natin may use are honey, lemons, pineapple, and thyme. If lalat na gid ang aton nga coughs, di na natin magpa-consult sa aton doctor since pwede sila ka-diagnose sang cause and also prescribe medications like antivirals, anti-inflammatory drugs, bronchodilators, and also antibiotics for bacterial infections. If may arat naman kita sang COPD or asthma, ang aton nga doctor pwede ka-adjust ang iyang treatment plan.
Treat me like what's easy. Don't get me dirty. Just love on me. 별빛이 내린다.
Sige. Kung na-shot ko ni, may sugit ko sila.
Ang pharyngitis is usually caused by viral and bacterial infections, such as common cold or rhinovirus, or by infection with Staphylococcus bacterium. The virus can spread.
Fatigue, Hi guys!
Stop it. Get some help.
Kana, may isang UP, no? Siya niya. Sige.
Treat me like what's easy.